Welcome back, fellow clackers. Let's talk Smith Corona 5. This one happens to be made in Canada and one of our esteemed clippers. Let's talk about how to lock the carriage. Anytime you're getting ready to transport a typewriter, it's okay if you just leave it in the middle. The main escapement gears are going to be riding. So this one has a lock. So let's talk about it. This will free the carriage. This guy here is actually what will lock or open the lock for the carriage. We're going to push that down, and I'm hanging on to it because the carriage wants to go to the left. So you got to hang on to it, clock it in. That guy's going to be clocked down, and that is how you lock a carriage. On top of that, anytime I'm not using the typewriter, I love to open up the rollers, make sure they're not sitting on the shiny new platens. Oh, by the way, this one turned out really well. Full reconditioning, went through the Muse typewriter shop. Customers here to pick it up. Smith Corona Clipper 1946. What a beautiful imprint. 12 CPI, Elite number 66. Looks really good. What can Muse do for you?